Terminal 101, Episode 1. Macy, adrift in space. Somewhere between Earth and Callisto, the Macy drifts. Interior corridor, red emergency lighting. Primary computer, offline. Apfel is all that's left. She doesn't panic, she thinks. One screen, one cursor, one chance. She types 2 letters, L-S, list. Show me what's here. The I boot, comms, crew, nav. The ship answers. Everything she needs is in there, somewhere. Navigation is down, but she knows where she is now, and that's how every journey begins. Terminal 101, Episode 1, L.S.